for joining me for my unboxing video. Welcome, y'all. If you don't know me, my name is Tracy Hyde. I am a Jordan Essentials consultant. I have so much to share with you. I'm actually unboxing my first, my host order. I had just over a $600 party, and I'm super excited to share all the things that came along in it. And then I have a couple of other things in another box that arrived at the same time. So I'm really, really thrilled to share with you. If you don't know anything about Jordan Essentials, in the first comment below, just kind of glance through a little bit. There will be some ways that you can reach out to me, some places you can view information about all the things Jordan Essentials, non-toxic, natural goodies for you and your life. Skincare, lotions, essential oils, bath stuff. Listen, we all need some good stuff in our lives like that, okay? So, also in the first comment below, you'll find ways, like I said, that you can, besides message me and check that stuff out, you can go check out my VIP group on Facebook. I would love for you to come on over and join us there. If the button below that says subscribe still says subscribe, click it so that it says subscribe. Duh. Okay, so let's do that, okay? And come along with us. Enjoy the fun, okay? So I'm pulling out of my box the paper that they use to keep it all nice and packed in there, okay? Otherwise, it'll rattle around and do all the things, right? We don't want it to do that because it's going to make some noise. So here's this. I'm just going to chuck this over there. Those of you who knew me when I was a 31 consultant, know I love the paper. I love the paper because the paper means, it's just so much better than those plastic air bubble things. I don't even know what you call them. Anyhow, so my first host order is chock full of goodies, okay? So let's see, what did I get? I got coconut lime shea butter. So for those of you who didn't know, so I actually partied a little earlier than I had planned with my friend Kathy because I heard that at the end of January, some of the coconut lime was it was retiring, and I needed it. And so I did get some. I got a lotion bar in coconut lime. I got the shea body butter in coconut lime. And I think I got some. I did. I knew I did. Because I think I got a bundle. So isn't it amazing? Like, here's one of my favorite things ever is when a box arrives. It's like Christmas. I forget what I ordered, but there's nothing that I don't like. So, or that there's nothing that I've tried that I don't like. So there's a lot of really great things. So oh my goodness, our foaming soap. Look. Not only did it come in bubble wrap, which I will take to I'm a full-time school social worker, so if I don't pop all the bubbles, I'll take it to school and my students will pop all the bubbles. We're smart like that. And then, but they also, the soap always comes in a great plastic zipper bag. So if it happens to come untwisted a little bit or get depressed a little bit, it doesn't spill all over everything else in your box. I love it. How considerate, right? But also in that beautiful coconut lime, right? So that's three that's 3 things in coconut lime. It's fun. Listen, it might only be Tuesday, but it's been a week. And you don't know that it's Tuesday, y'all. Who knows what day this will post? There's no telling. It'll probably be this weekend. But it has been a week. It really has. Now this, let me tell you. I think this was when I got this. I think this was part of a weekly wow. I spent enough money to where I grabbed this as part of a weekly wow. This frankincense, or maybe it was a host thing. Frankincense Balanced Bliss. So this is age-defying serum. So it's not like a spray bottle. It's a little pump. Can you tell? It's just a little pump. You put a little bit on your finger and you rub it where all of the wrinkles her. I know my camera's over there, but I can see myself there. Okay, so look, school social worker, I told you, worry lines all the time, and more bubble wrap makes my heart happy. Okay, so then also in here, because we all need a little bit of Copa Calm in our life. So also, this is essential oils. It's a roll-on. So again, liquidy. And so they put it in a little Ziploc bag for us to help protect all of our goodies. But this is our Copa Calm magnesium roll-on. If you have never tried this, I'm gonna beg you to, okay? The Copa Calm is such an amazing... First of all, the scent is just super duper lovely, but it is great for just kind of bringing all of your energies to, as it would suggest, to a calm level. For those of us who kind of get like a little, and whether that is like excitement or a little panic or whatever, and we need a little bit of calm in our life, I think the Copa Calm is a great way to help us get there. Oops, I want to share that one in a minute. That goes with those. Okay. Oh, I also got the coconut lime. Look, there was a theme to my host order. This scent. So listen, coconut lime has this tropical feel to it, and I absolutely needed it. Now, the scent, this flavor in a lot of things did retire, but I have seen a few still on the website. So go get what you can while you can, okay? So the salt scrub, yeah, that's going in my shower. I'm going to exfoliate all the things in the shower, right, with the salt scrub. It's going to be amazing. Amazing. Oh, would you look at this? Okay, so not only did I get a packing slip, but I also got, look at, okay, so it says, thank you. Your order and item you purchased has been back ordered. We will be sending it to you as soon as possible. And so I knew that. So I got a the mineral makeup bundle, and I had learned after I ordered it, which is okay. It's totally okay. Look, I'm not an impatient person, but I learned after that some of the mineral makeup is on back order because of trying to get some of the supplies that Jordan Essentials needs to manufacture those or put them together, like put them all. They're trying to get them with the fires in California is really, really difficult right now. So there have been some delays in getting all the things that they need for some of our goodies. And so the mineral makeup, it's a tinted moisturizer that comes with one of the makeup bundles that you can get. And so, which I'll show you that in just a moment, but that's, whoops, my packing slip just fell, but that's what this is for. And so, they're estimating that it'll ship in just a few more days, which is totally cool with me. Absolutely. I'm totally fine. And look, it's signed by Zach Bogart. That's like the son of our founder. How nice is that, right? Okay. So, so there's that. I did get some sticks too, magnesium sticks. If you've never tried a magnesium stick, oh man, there's so many to pick from. I think there's 12 to pick from, but I got an allergy stick, and I got a Helio stick. If you've been following me long enough, you know that Helio, the shea butter, is what got me started with Jordan Essentials. So this I can do myself, right? Here we go. Now I don't have to trouble them. So if you need a sample, you can contact me at info down below in the first comment. Okay, makeup. Here is the makeup that I got, okay? So I'm waiting on the tinted lotion. It's just a moisturizer lotion with a light tint. And there is a variety of them. And if you get something and you're like, whoa, that's so not helpful, you've got 30 days to exchange it. So, make it, right? So this is actually, it's called Merlot. I want to show you. I was looking for it. So it's called Merlot. It is, it's actually like a little bit of a cheek tint, but you can also and then rub it on your eyes. You could, and then rub it on your lips. And then we got a gloss to go on there, right? A clear lip gloss. Listen, it is called jojoba. I did not know. I said it wrong all the time. I said jojoba. It is not jojo. It is jojo. So Santa Claus ba, right? Jojoba. So excellent, excellent. And then this is actually, it's called Flawless Mascara. And I got it in black. So, oh my gosh, just so, oh, I can't wait. I'm really excited. I also got a kabuki brush, because I can put the tinted moisturizer on there and then, right, and go, I'm going to try to do, when my moisturizer gets in, I'm going to try to do a video of that. I'll do all the makeup. And I also have lip butter somewhere that is beautiful. Whoa. If you've never tried our lip butter, oh, you got to try it. You got to try it. Okay. So there's that. Whoops. There's the little plastic bag for the rest of my makeup. And then finally, this was this. So let me tell you, I was super excited. So I hosted a party. I had just over 8 people. Oh, did I have 9 or 12? I can't remember. When you get 8 people to party or just like join in your party and have fun and participate and all that, and when 8 of them order, and it has to be 8 separate people order, you get one of these amazing 16-ounce magnesium lotion bottles. Now in March, it'll be $5, okay? Part of a special that I got it for free when I had 8 people participate and shop from my party. Starting March 1st, you'll pay $5. But can I tell you, it's like a $44. It's $44.50 or something like that. It's very, very close for this bottle. And I want you to, it is 16 ounces. Listen, this is the one that you get in your kit when you join Jordan Essentials. This one. And I've used one of these for more than 6 months, and I still have, it's not in here, it's in my bathroom because I use it every day, but I still have quite a bit in there. And check this out. This one, I think when you order is $22.50. And I think this one is $44.50. I might be wrong. I'll make sure that if I'm wrong, that I put that in the video here below so that you know. But this is the one you get in your kit, an 8-ounce. And here is the 16-ounce. And I'm going to tell you, if you party and you get 8 people to shop with you, $5, this is well worth it. Well worth it. Absolutely. And then look, it came in this really cool little wrap. So, what do I do with it? I'm gonna, that one's going in my bathroom. So, but super, super cool. Well, then I got a second box today. So I got 2 boxes. In this one, the packing label was on the top so I could see what it was. But listen. So, I bought 4 of these adorable chocolate mint. Yes, chocolate mint, just in time for Valentine's Day. It is a chocolate mint lotion bar. Okay, if you've never used a lotion bar before, let me show you. This is the one that came with my kit. It'll last about a year. This is really kind of how Jordan Essentials got started. It's hardened lotion. It's poured right here in the United States in Nixa, Missouri. Okay, that's where our home base is, and all of that, our distribution center and all that is all. And you can see it's a cute little I don't know what that is. It's a leaf, I think. I think it's the Jordan Essentials leaf, if I'm not mistaken. What you do is you put it in your hands and you give it all kinds of love. And your body heat helps to kind of break down. So there's beeswax in it. And so it is just so lovely. And I actually rub this on my feet, and then I put my socks on and I walk on it all day. And my feet are much softer. Anybody, look, it's not pedicure season all the time. I live in Michigan. We don't get to wear sandals all the time. I mean, I suppose you could, but I don't. So you warm this baby up, And then guess what you can do? So once you get it warmed up and it starts feeling like it's ready to go, okay, look, so you can see it on my hands, but then you can rub it on your elbows, right? You can rub that in. Oh, you can use, there's 52 uses for this thing. Another thing that I hear people use it for is when their hair gets a little staticky, right? You can rub it through and help take out some of the static. I have a lot of hairspray in my hair. It's day 2 hair, right? That's what we do. My super dry knuckles. Listen, this time of year, my hands I wash them so much working in the school system that they're miserable. They are so miserable, which is why I have a big bottle of the lotion in my bathroom, because I put it every time I wash my hands. I get done and then I put some lotion on, right? You just have to, like, your body will absorb what it needs, right? So anyways, so these things are amazing. I think everybody needs at least one lotion bar, and this girl's got a couple, okay? So obviously you've already seen I got the coconut lime one also. Well, guess what? Now I got a chocolate mint one, and I have a few to give away. So here's what I was doing is, for anyone who booked in February, I'm giving them, that's something I'm sending them. So I've already had a couple. So, I mean, make me order some more. Okay? Because I'll go get them. I will go get them. Okay? And then also, I got, because I needed to, right? I needed to get some more things to try out. I got some Copa Calm Dead Sea salts. So this is actually, you can soak in the bathtub, and it's got a number. So I think it is, for a foot soak, you use 2 tablespoons in your water, okay, in your hot water, for your feet. And when you put it in like a full soak, like in the tub, it is 1/4 cup. That's right? It says 1/4 cup. And then soak for 10 to 20 minutes. This girl's going to have to get out of her bath a little bit sooner than she likes to. But by then it's getting chilly anyhow, so why not? It's fine. Then, when I got these, the monthly special was you got a shower spray for $5 when you spent $50 or more. And then I also, because I was trying to get to $50, I got me a 2-ounce of our magnesium lotion, which is the same. This is 16 ounces, right? That one's 8 ounces. This is 2 ounces. So, and then our shea butters, this is 2 ounces. Okay. So it's a little bitty, so they just look a little different. Okay. You can get the Copa Calm in this in 2 ounces too. Oh man, there's one back there. It's upside down because I'm trying to drain it out because I'm using it for samples. So if you need samples, like I said, boop, 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 you know how to do this, right? You're in. So listen, I got a couple more of these bad boys to give away. Make me buy more. Who would like to party with me? There is actually a link below where you can take a survey, and if you take the survey and you let me know that you'd like to book a party, I will get you on the calendar. Okay. Now, if it's not February and you're like, oh, I just watched this, but you were doing these in February. Well, I always have some kind of something that I'm giving away. So don't worry. There'll be something. There'll be something. I promise there will be something for you. So thanks so much for watching my video. I hope that this brought you a lot of value. You could see sizes. You could see flavors. So if it brought you value, give me a like. Share with whoever you think needs to hear this, see this, learn about this, get this. Let's go, right? And then do me one more favor. After you've subscribed, go watch another video for me, okay? Thanks so much. I will see you again real soon. Bye.